Hey everyone, welcome back to AlcoreStudio. In this devlog, I continue breaking down the game scene of my game Rush Office, focusing on the revamped UI, the music manager, and how different systems come together during gameplay. After completing the core gameplay systems like object pooling, PoolManager, PooledObject, SectionManager, and GameManager, I moved on to building a music player. Having it on screen during gameplay didn't make much sense, so I decided to integrate it into the settings menu instead. Rather than using UGUI, I took this opportunity to explore UI Toolkit. It was a bit challenging at first, but its HTML/CSS-like structure, UI builder, and data binding with scriptable objects made it much easier to manage complex UI without writing excessive code. Using UI Toolkit, I built the settings menu and the music player UI, and later converted almost all in-game UI to UI Toolkit as well. The only exceptions are the main menu UI and on-screen button controls, since on-screen buttons are currently only compatible with UGUI. To store audio settings and music player state, I created a scriptable object that keeps track of volume levels, the currently playing track, loop state, and whether the music is stopped. On top of that, I implemented a music manager responsible for playing tracks, handling looping, moving to the next or previous track, and syncing everything with the UI. I also completed the Game Over screen using UI Toolkit. It displays the current run data and score, and allows the player to restart the game or return to the main menu. A reward multiplier system is planned for a future update. The player system handles obstacles, drop zones, and passenger logic using trigger colliders, while movement is controlled through an input manager that supports both on-screen buttons and the accelerometer. There's also a setting to switch between these input modes, though changing it during gameplay requires restarting the scene. To manage gameplay data, I introduced a run data scriptable object that binds directly to the Game Over UI, reducing the need for additional glue code. After a run ends, this data is merged into a game data scriptable object, allowing progress to persist back to the main menu. Finally, I revisited the garage system. While car customization was already in place, I added a proper purchase system by upgrading the item database to include cost and purchase state tracking. That's it for this update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next devlog.